Here is my circuit and LCD. When I plug it in, it turns on and displays my name and birthday, and then starts displaying the state and the status. When I press the correct sequence of B, A, A, B, this is button A and this is button B. So B, A, B. It indicates that it is unlocked. When I press either button, it returns to state 0. The incorrect sequence A goes to state 0. The incorrect sequence B goes to state 1. The incorrect sequence B goes to state 1, and the incorrect sequence B goes to state 0, and it remains locked for all of those incorrect sequences. If I hold down B for a few seconds, it only goes to state 1, and if I hold down A for a few seconds, it only goes to state 2.